So here's that little weather station that they sent me. I have it kind of sitting on top of my doorbell phone here. And I'm getting no readings at all out of it. So, I mean, this thing's basically a piece of junk. Sorry, company that sent it to me, but honestly, your device is a piece of junk. Thank you. Have a good day. Hey everybody, Matt with the Little Cash Homestead. Okay, so this row of boxes here is about done. There's our irrigation lines. So these last two, we just finished filling those. It's taken a long time to fill these because it's just been with lots of rain, kids at school, everything like that. So we got these finally done. These shallow boxes are just shallow rooted stuffed lettuces. These deeper boxes are root crops. You can see over here, lettuces in the shallow boxes, root crops, carrots, beets, radishes, things like that in the deeper boxes. Okay, so this one just has Job's Heirloom Tomato in it. You can buy that in twice the size of a bag. Then you can buy tomato vegetable. NPK is pretty close, and you'll get, 20 pounds versus, or you'll get like 10 pounds versus 4 pounds for an extra $2. And then this one here has our granular phosphorus, granular potassium, and then some Job. So basically I'm just going to take these, and you know exactly what we're going to do with them. I've showed you a bunch of times. This tool, this wonderful oscillating tool, we're just going to oscillate these down, rake them over, stretch the water lines, put canvas on top of this, and then stretch the water lines back over them and give everything a good watering. And after doing with this mix, I already know that this pH is about a 7.5. So we're not going to put any ag lime in this box, any of these boxes here. Actually I omitted the first couple, but as I've been testing down the line, they've been reading pretty good. So we're going to agitate everything, and then we'll test it for pH later. Thank you very much. Have a good day.